Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You want the fastest safe start. Plug the Redmi into a certified 33W or higher charger and the original USB-C cable. Once connected, make sure to close background apps and disable syncing to reduce load. That frees CPU and battery for charging. You can toggle airplane mode or do not disturb to cut network drain and remove the phone case so heat can escape. These initial steps increase headroom for the fast charge algorithm and prevent thermal throttling. Once charging is underway, place the phone on a cool, hard surface to improve heat dissipation and avoid soft fabrics that trap warmth. Make sure fast charge mode remains active in settings. Some models toggle between fast charge and normal when battery is warm. If you need the phone, use it minimally. Short tasks are fine, heavy gaming defeats the benefit. Monitor temperature. If the device gets hot, unplug for a few minutes to let it cool, then resume to protect battery health. As the battery approaches full, charging naturally slows. Expect the last 10–20% to take longer. Aim for 80 to 90% when you need speed. If you see unusually slow rates, first test the original charger and cable and try a different wall outlet or USB port. Once done, restart the phone and check for system updates because firmware affects charging behavior. If problems continue, a factory reset or service check may be necessary, but try these steps before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.